And good morning, students. And we are seeing the first lesson, the portrait of a lady. And before start the class, I want to tell one thing. Many of you sending your homework through WhatsApp. Okay, don't do like that. Send your homework through Google Classroom, right? Okay. And okay, in the last class we have seen Kushwant Singh and his grandmother's life in city. Okay, you know very well. In the city, both were separated. Kushwant Singh he became elder, so he started going to college. So in that city school syllabus is not familiar to his grandmother, so she doesn't help him in his studies. So both were separated, and author is doing his work, and grandma she is spending daily half an hour to the sparrows. Okay, that you know very well. And after some years, Kushwant Singh went to abroad, but after 5 years again he came back, and again he came back. After 5 years also he is looking her grandmother in the same look. Okay, and I'll move with the next paragraph. In the evening, a change came over her. So after his 5 years arrival, that grandma she never forget to feed the sparrows. Okay, even in that day also he spent half an hour with the sparrows. Okay, in the same day, in the evening, what she is doing in the evening, a change came over her. Okay, in the evening, the family members they could find a change over her face. She did not pray, and we know very well what our grandmother usually she does. We know very well always she used to pray, but this is the first day they are seeing their grandmother that she is not praying. And she collected the women of the neighborhood. So instead of that, what she is doing, she collected the women of the neighborhood. Okay, she collected the neighbors. Got an old drum and started to sing. She collected the women of neighborhood, and they sat together, and they got one old drum. Okay, old drum also, and they started to sing. Okay, group chorus singing. For several hours, she thumped the sagging skins of the dilapidated drum and sang of the homecoming warriors. Okay, and what she is doing, she has a old drum. She thumped means hit. He thumped the sagging skins of the dilapidated. What do you mean by dilapidated? Damaged. Okay, it's not that musical instrument. It is not in good condition. It is in damaged condition. Okay, grandmother we know very well. She is very old. Even in that old age also she is hitting. Okay, she is dumping that sagging means less strong. It's not a strong drum. Okay, it is a very weak drum. She is just thumped that drum in a good way. And skins of the dilapidated drum, damaged. Okay, the old drum she has taken, no, that is not in good condition. It is in a damaged condition. She used that one, and she is creating music and singing a song. And in the next line, what we are going to see, what song she is singing. And sang of the homecoming of warriors. What song she is singing? That after the war, the warriors they will come to home, no, to welcome them. That women in that particular country they used to sing a song. Okay, that welcome song. Okay, to denote their victory, they will welcome, they will praise the warriors. So that song. And sang of the homecoming warriors. Okay, the song is about the homecoming of warriors. We had to pursued her to stop to avoid overstraining. So after seeing this, Arthur and his family members, what they thought, we have to stop the grandmother because to her age it is too much. Okay, which one is too much? Playing the old drum. Okay, anything may happen. They are just getting afraid. So we have to convince her to stop. Okay, we have to stop our grandmother, or else something will happen to her. So like that, Kushwant Singh and his family members are thinking. They thought that their grandmother is taking overstrain. That was the first time since I had known her that she did not pray. So that was the first day in my life I am seeing my grandmother without praying God. Okay, this is the first time. This is in this paragraph we are seeing that the change came over to the grandma. I hope through this you can understand what is going to happen next. Okay, this is the first time author is seeing her that grandmother is not praying. Instead of that, she is spending time with her neighborhood and playing a bowl drum and singing a song. What song? She is welcome song to welcome a homecoming of warriors. Okay, come to the next paragraph. Okay, then we'll see what happens next. The next morning she was taken ill. What happened? The next morning itself she was not feeling well. It was a mild fever, and the doctor told so to her, to the grandma, it was a mild fever, okay, not a severe fever, and the doctor told. And the doctor told us that it would go. So what the doctor, he told that it's a mild fever, okay, it will go and very soon she will recover. Okay, this is the advice of the doctor. But my grandmother thought differently. Grandmother, she thought differently, because she could understand her last minute of her life. She told us that her end was near. She herself told to her family members that her end was near. What does it mean? She can understand that she is going to die. And she said that since only a few hours before the close of the last chapter of her life, she had omitted to pray. So she said that since only a few hours before the close of the last chapter, what is the last chapter? Last part of her life. Okay, she is telling that in my last part of her life, this is the first time I omitted to pray. Okay, which means she can understand that she is going to die, and she was not going to waste any more time talking to us. So what she is telling, so I'm going to die, so in this time I don't want to waste my time talking with you all. So instead of that, what I want to do, so I want to pray. Okay, she wants to pray in the last minute of her life. Okay, in the next paragraph I hope you can understand the last paragraph. Okay, shall I move on to the next? Okay, but we protested. What do you mean by protest? Protest mean object. Okay, objected. We protested, but she ignored our protest, and they are just consoling their grandmother. No, grandma, you will be all right, don't think like that. They are telling like that, but she ignored our protest. But she is not accepting their advice, because she knows very well, okay, that she is going to die. So she lay peacefully in bed, praying and telling her beads. So what she is doing, she laid peacefully in the bed. Okay, she came almost bedridden condition. She laid peacefully in the bed and praying. Okay, she started praying and telling her beads. Okay, we know very well. In one hand she has her rosary and she started praying. Even before we could suspect, her lips stopped moving and the rosary fell from her lifeless fingers. Even before we could suspect. Okay, what happened? Her lips stopped moving. What does it mean? Her lips stopped moving. I hope you can understand what happened to her, to the grandma. She was dead. Her lips stopped moving and the rosary fell from her lifeless fingers. Okay, she is praying, no, with the beads. What happened? That rosary fell from her lifeless finger. What do you mean by lifeless finger? That means she was dead. Okay, and a peaceful pallor spread on her face and we knew that she was dead. What do you mean by pallor? That pallor means a very pale appearance. That means that is called as pallor. A peaceful pallor spread on her face and we know that she was dead. So they could understand that she was dead. Okay.